Oh, I'm recording.
I have so much scrap yarn. Let's do something with it. Okay, here's the idea. Let's make a sweater in 2 hours. Okay, I have my biggest knitting needles. These are my 5mm, and I have, well, these crochet hooks are not even that big. I have a 6mm and 5.5. We're gonna start exactly at 1 p.m. and we're gonna give me 2 hours, and I am going to make a wearable sweater by the end of the 2 hours. Okay, let's see what we're working with. We have that. We have this. Oh, this is a cushion cover. And then we have this whole bag. So obviously we can't change the amount of time we have. We're gonna use the biggest knitting needles and hooks that we have. How many yarns I need to hold together to be able to finish this in 2 hours. I have my water ready. And we have 3 minutes to go. I guess I should decide what to start with. So I'm thinking of doing 4 pieces, 4 like big square pieces. 2, like 1 for the front, 1 for the back, 1 for the sleeve, and then a sleeve here. So what do you think is faster, knit or crochet? Let's go shopping. Okay, so I know that I want to use, so I definitely want to use up this. Like this is a chunky wool yarn that I have left from another project. So if we know we're gonna go for the green, maybe we should focus on like the green blue grays. Yeah, so we have these here, this, another ball of this. Let me think. Should I just go ahead and start with this maybe? Okay, 1 o'clock, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna go for this big chunky, and then I'm just gonna hold that together with a couple other green yarns. We're on the floor today for more space. Oh yeah, okay, let me try to do it really loose, so hopefully we get, you know, a little bit bigger gauge. Okay, we're just gonna go top down because depending on how much time I have, I think it'd be nice to end up with a little bit of ribbing on the bottom. Yeah, I wanna wear more of my handmade pieces outside. Sometimes I just feel like people can tell that I made it myself, and I don't like that. And technically, that should be a good thing, right? I wasn't recording. Oopsies. So I ripped it all the way back because it was the width was too much. So we are switching to crochet. So the stitch pattern I'm doing right now is 3 double crochets and then 1 chain, and then I skip the chain that I'm going into for the double crochet. So it has this like sort of a little cute little mesh pattern. And we were doing 3 strands of yarn. My crochet hook is too small, so I am going down to the 1 strand of like the chunky. Oh, look Luna back there, she's so tired. Hey. Make a little selection of what to do next, of what yarn next. So let's do this, this. Oh, I like this. Sometimes my camera just randomly turns off and stops recording. I don't know if I said this already, but it is 1:32. We're 32 minutes in, and this is how much we have. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going for another 10 minutes. Probably we'll have to start working on the back. Yeah, but this challenge, yeah, it's 2 hours, but it reminds me a lot of Game of Wool, the knit and crochet reality show that came out last year. I really enjoyed the show. I know there was a lot of controversy surrounding like the time limit, the chunky wool that they were forced to use, like kind of the stupid challenges. But I loved the way that the designers showed their creativity. Like the food challenge is so ridiculous, but the stuff they came up with was amazing. You know, I am a dog sweater designer myself, as you can see. So the dog sweater challenge was like so up my alley. Oops, camera battery died. 136. We have this, and now I'm gonna transition the tan into the pink. I don't know if this is a good idea, but you know, don't have much time to make decisions. We are done with this green. Let's get rid of it. It's 1:47 and we have this much. So I'm just gonna leave the yarn right here and start working on the second piece, the back piece. See if I have extra time at the end, I can make it longer. Shopping again. Okay, so we have pink, green. Yeah, I actually think orange. This is gonna be really pretty. I think we're gonna lean into the orange. Like this. Oh yeah, this is looking way better. Yeah, nice. Oh, and then maybe for the bottom of this panel, we can transition into like a red. Maybe that won't look good with this. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Remember when I said by 2 o'clock I'll have both panels done? Haha, stupid. Maybe this is one of those crop tops where the front is longer than the back. Maybe there's just no back. Actually, we must give ourselves an incentive. If I do this, if I make something like, I was gonna say decently wearable, but I don't think it's gonna be decent. If I make something wearable, then I will allow myself to drink a nice wine tonight. Time check, 2:01. Have this much. Oh, it's looking really nice. I don't know why we started with the green. Like, this is way prettier. Let's make this the front. I don't like the green. This fabric is turning out to be like half an inch thick. I wonder what this is gonna feel like to wear. These dogs have been in such a bad mood today. They were just barking at everything. They're just like angry old men, just complaining all day. But much more annoying. The bark of a little dog, wow. It just really grates on the ears. Okay, I am like hardly even sticking to the pattern. I am just crocheting. Wow, it's a million times easier to crochet with just 2 strands versus 3. The hook, oh, because the hook just moves faster. Interesting, okay. Oops, did a single crochet. I think this is really pretty. Okay, a question for any knitters or crocheters out there. Do you feel like since knitting and crocheting, like your forearms are more jacked? Oh my god, yeah, like look at this. Look at this little forearm muscle. Yeah, I mean I lift, but I think it's like bigger because I'm like doing this all the time. Time check, 2:14. 2:14, we've been knitting for 1 hour and 14 minutes. Are we happy with how much we've got done? Why is it with all of these challenges, we start with so much optimism and we just quickly devolve into practicality. We start, yeah, oh my god, that's so funny. It happened in the game of wool. I think it was like the 70s and 80s challenge where one team, they decided to make a 1-shoulder sweater because they couldn't finish the second sleeve. But it ended up looking fantastic, you know? So pretty. Okay, how much do I have left? Oh, we're good? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and sew up the sides. If I have time at the end, you know, I can always go back and add more length. But let's work on the non-negotiables so that we can earn our wine. We have our 2 pieces. They're both really pretty. Okay. This, no, this. First try on. Now we're working on the turtleneck and we're gonna use these 3 colors. I think that's gonna end up being a mock neck. The shirt is really not long enough. It's not even a crop top. It's basically like a nothing. Oh geez. At least with crochet, like you could just leave the yarn attached, but with knitting, obviously, like if you took it off the needle, it's not gonna work. So crochet was, I should have made the right choice in the beginning. I would have saved 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, I added this really pretty color, so we're just doing like a little different kind of edging right there. I don't think you can see it, but I think it's gonna look nice. This disaster. Oh my God. We are back. My SD card had no more space left and my camera battery went out. It is 3:12. We are 2 hours, 12 minutes in, and I am not done. So we are expanding this project, expanding this challenge to 3 hours. I swear I'm gonna be done in 3 hours. Let me show you what I was doing in the 30 minutes of lost footage. Yeah, okay, so we switched from the crochet section to the knit section. I picked up the bottom and now I'm just knitting a 2x2 rib. So this here took me about 20 minutes. I think I want it to be at least like ½ an inch longer. And then I'm gonna pick up on the side for the 2 sides and then do like a little armhole. And then we're gonna be done. I don't know what I was thinking. 2 hours. Okay. 2 hour project. I would have to get an enormous crochet hook. I don't know. What's the biggest crochet hook you can find? I would have to use that. What was I thinking? So much confidence. So much optimism. It's all crashing down on me now. But technically, because I went into this thinking it was a 2 hour challenge, I mean, it is a 2 hour challenge. Because I went into here thinking I'd be done in 2 hours, I think I made some smart choices that will allow me to finish this project in 3 hours. I'm just making excuses, but 3 hours. I can make a sweater vest and also use up all these crazy quantity of scrap yarn that I have. Yeah, I say scrap yarn, but a lot of it was just like, I didn't even touch it. It's just in the abandoned pile of yarn. So we're turning that abandoned pile into something we can actually wear. I am going to wear this, whether or not it looks good. Okay, I think I'm done. Ooh, this side's ugly. I think I'm done with the bottom ribbing, so I'm gonna go ahead and bind off. Then when I'm done with that, I can work on the sleeve hole. Actually, more importantly, we need to do a try on. Regular bind off. Okay, I'm gonna try to do like a really loose regular bind off. Here's the first try on. Okay, it's still short. It's just really very, very short. Does it look good? Looks okay. Like, look, hair down on the front. I think this is kind of cool, right? But like, look how short it is in the back. It's like, okay, so I'm just gonna real quick like pick up this, probably pick up the sleeves, probably just do like a row or 2 on each side. What color do you think? Oh, that could be really, really pretty. Maybe this. Yeah. Okay, we have 30 minutes left, so we gotta be really, really strict with ourselves. Yeah, let's do these really pretty pinks. Don't be mad at me if I need extra time, okay? This is turning out to be something quite nice. Let's see, when I knit, I hold the yarn in my right hand, but when I crochet, it's on the left, so it's just very, very confusing. Okay, I'm picking up my stitches for the armhole. Let's just speed right through this. Oh my God, my battery died again. This is chaos. Right now I'm charging at the same time as recording. Okay, yeah, so I picked up for one of the sleeves and I'm just doing a 2x2 rib. Thinking just 2 rows. It's going kind of slow, so like ideally I would do 4 to 6 rows. I think that would look the best, but we are not in ideal conditions. Not much time. Damn, I should have crocheted this. If I crocheted this, I wouldn't have to bind it off, huh? See? Didn't have enough time to make the decision. Can't decide based on aesthetics here. We don't have the luxury. Just pure time calculation. Okay, second row of ribbing. With just 2 rows of ribbing, you can't even see the pattern. No. One sleeve, sleeve, okay. One armhole, done. Okay, let's do the next one. 401, and I have officially failed again. This is where we are at. We have, I just need to match the ribbing on this side to this side, so I just need to finish one more row and then bind it off. So let me go ahead and do that. And I realized, you know how it's still a little bit short right now? I'm gonna do like a full block tonight and then see how much it stretches out. And then we should have like a decent length crop top if these yarns relax. And also I'm thinking it's gonna improve the way it looks a lot. Right now it's just, the fabric itself is just too thick. Fail. What can you do? Like, you know, like typically knit and crochet projects, they take so long. So it has been pretty fun kind of speeding through something. And like, yeah, 3 hours later, I have like a shirt that I quite like, that I think I'm gonna wear. I hope I'm gonna wear. It just needs to be a little bit longer and then I'll wear it. These 3 hours flew by. It feels like 10 minutes went past. Knitting and crocheting is so immersive. The time flies away before you know it. Before you know it, you have a shirt. I think the colors I chose is really carrying a lot of the weight here. Because I think the colors are working really well. All right. Time check. 4:07. 3 hours, 7 minutes. Let's do a try on. Ta-da! What do we think? Look at these colors. Okay. I think that back is a little ugly. Okay, we're gonna block this and then check back in tomorrow. See if at least this is something that I would wear. I failed the time challenge. Well, I failed the 2 hours, then I failed the 3 hours, but I did use up a bunch of scrap yarn. That's a win. And let's see, is this going to be something I would actually wear? I just need like ½ an inch longer. Okay, we're doing a nice little block. As you can see, I've stretched out this top as much as I can from the top and the bottom. Okay, it's the next day and we have blocked our top. Now, I actually love it, but I think I'm gonna just trim up these ends and leave them. I think it gives us like a really cool, like almost distressed fringe vibe. Makes it a little bit different. I think this actually looks really cool with the ends hanging out. Yeah, as you can see, it's like, it grew a teeny tiny bit. This is probably the minimum length that we can get that's acceptable to wear as like a crop top. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching the video. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. And I'm trying to put out 1 to 2 videos per week. So please join me back next time. Bye.